I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. And now I'm gonna show you how to make falafel. Now I'm gonna add the chickpeas to the food processor. We're gonna pulse. Now, I left a little bit of chickpeas in the container. We're gonna add the parsley, cilantro, garlic, cumin, coriander. We add our onions, salt, pepper, paprika, or cayenne, really whatever you feel like. Toasted sesame. Turn on the machine. And level the top, cover it with a plastic film and put it in the fridge, I would say from 30 minutes to 1 hour before frying. Now, I took out my falafel from the fridge. The mixture is all smooth. I take one bowl, I shape it between the palms of my hands, dredge it in the sesame, so you flatten it a little bit here and continue. My falafel patties are all shaped and ready for frying. Put it carefully in my hot oil. You stop frying when you reach that color. Put it on the side. Okay, we have our falafel, hot and so inviting. Enjoy this recipe, easy recipe of falafel, and I will be back with another interesting Mediterranean recipe.